Welcome to Online Study Point. Now we are discussed about PTE Pearson test of English. Then in this PTE exam we study about the some modules like speaking, reading and listening or writing. Then if we are talking about speaking, then speaking is there should be some tasks like read aloud, retell lecture and listening summarize test. Listening summarize text, listening fill-ups, listening fill-ups. These all are module are the very important for us. If we are cracking numbers in read aloud is more, then these numbers are also included in your reading section also. So make sure you can crack carefully your read alouds. Then these read alouds also beneficial for your reading and speaking also. Then with 22 numbers in reading and 22 numbers in speaking. So care about on read alouds more. And retell lecture is also another one. It is very important for speaking section because of retell lecture is the part of speaking, but its number is going on listening is also. So then these sections are also very important for the speaking. And if we are talking about writing, writing is the another module of PT. Then writing is write essay and write summarize text. Then writing essay is beneficial for writing because of 15 out of 15, 11 or 12 numbers you can crack easily by using any writing essay templates like a television. Then 10 to 7 numbers, 7 to 10 number or 10 to 7 numbers you have got in your summarized text spoken. Then this module is very important for us because it's not a time consuming. It's not be a time consuming because if you are save time in writing section, then it will be beneficial in your reading section. If you are save time in your writing section, then it will add to the reading section. So you can crack by carefully to reading section. So care about these modules which are important for us, and other video are also uploaded by me for the listening and reading also in coming days. So thank you for much.